Morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. Well, Reliance Industries makes it to the list yet again. This time it's Reliance Retail, as reports seem to be floating around with respect to another stake buy. We understand that private equity firm Silver Lake Partners is in talks to invest $1 billion in the retail arm of Reliance Industries. In fact, we understand that this investment could value Reliance Retail at close to $57 billion, as the company is aiming to sell about 10% new shares according to reports. While Silver Lake has declined to comment on this, Reliance Industries has not commented either. Do remember, you have Mukesh Ambani and Reliance Industries that has been pitching the retail business as a very formidable force in India, and they've been expanding rapidly. Recently, we also saw the Biofuture Retail as well in order to woo some of these potential investors. They've already raised more than $20 billion from global investors, including Facebook, by selling stake in Reliance Platforms' digital business, and now they aim to attract new investors. Just recently, you had that Future Group deal valued at about $3.38 billion. Moving on, then, Vodafone is sure going to be in the cynosure of all eyes today. They have decided to meet to consider their fundraising options. Remember, this is after the Supreme Court had directed the telecom players to pay 10% of the total AGR dues in equal installments over the next 10 years. Yesterday, reports emerged that Vodafone Idea is looking at raising close to $1.5 billion, and this could be via various routes. Do remember, the company owes the government close to 58,254 crore rupees. Of this, they've already paid 7,800 crores to the DOT. They said that as of now, they're going to evaluate all these proposals. It's going to be either by way of preferential issue, public allotment, private placement, or the QIP route. And this is what they're going to mull. They've also said, though, by the way, that as of now, there is no investment proposal to consider US wireless carrier Verizon Communications or any investment from Amazon, but they said that they're constantly evaluating more opportunities. Meantime, Page Industry is in focus. Goldman Sachs has a sell rating on the stock with a target price of 12,119. They say that the Q1 earnings were weak and there was sales growth as well that was lower. The gross margin was partly offset by the lower costs. Page has recently implemented price hikes. They're lowering their FY21 EPS estimates by 25%. Credit Access Grameen in focus, as the company has approved the fundraising via preferential issue. And QIP, this is going to raise up to 1,000 crores subject to the approval of shareholders. And Hindustan Aeronautics, the government has proposed to offer 5.02 lakh equity shares at a discounted price of 950.9 per share. The offer for sale is going to remain open from the 4th to the 9th